𝕁𝕠𝕝𝕚 Acholi.
Amir Mordan tuju irwama bat. Apa yang unba? Apa yang unu pir yagawa? An kelonyani ariemo esta okelo. Dan yang mabe? Dong Amiro observing the protocol here. I would like to welcome you here in Agrago. We are peaceful. These are our children. We need to work together to ensure that we get the team that qualifies, and they will work very hard to really bring our region to some level. So I'm requesting the officials who are participating in seeing that the game is completed well to do their work objectively and diligently. Objectively and diligently. We don't want to hear that ABC happened somewhere. That's why ABC did like that, okay? So I would like you to do your work wholeheartedly. My children, I know you have the skills, you have the knowledge. You have just come here to show us that knowledge and the skills. If you do it very well, you will be number one. If you don't do it very well, then you will be the last, probably somewhere. Are we together? So what I want you to do is, please, if you become number one, well and good. If you become number three or the last, please take it easily. Are we together? Don't create conflict. Don't create what? Be friends. Be brothers and sisters. I want to stop here. Thank you very much.
Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.𝕁𝕠𝕝𝕚𝕝𝕪.